Hey, welcome. I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. And in this video, I'm going to share with you guys 3 passive income streams that you can use from home for beginners in 2022, all right? If you're interested in diversifying your income or having some supplemental income, be sure to watch this video until the very end. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. So let's get started with passive income stream number 1. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. I don't know if you guys are aware of them, what they are and how they're used, but they're pretty much digital artwork. NFTs are big news right now. They're trending, and if you're an artist or if you know how to draw and create, or even if you know how to create digital artwork, this may be just for you. I've heard of people even making money from home by turning their tweets from their Twitter account into NFTs and selling them to make money on the blockchain. I guess it's a digital currency. I'm not too familiar with it, guys, but I know people are making money with it. It's similar to selling artwork, right? If you were to paint something and you were to sell this piece of artwork, it would just be the original copy. But with NFTs, you can sell that original copy to someone and they can sell that copy to other people, and you earn a percentage, a royalty, each time that NFT is sold. It's amazing, guys. I don't know too much about it, but I recently read an article of a 24-year-old who made $300,000 selling NFTs in 10 months. All right, 300 grand in 10 months. So definitely do your research on NFTs. Selling digital artwork, whether they're tweets, paintings, drawings, or digital artwork. This could be a way that you can sell NFTs to create a passive income from home. All right, definitely look into that, guys. Passive income stream idea number 2, affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is something that you guys probably do every day, all day, and you don't even know it, and you're not getting paid for it. So I'm sure you've told someone about a restaurant or some shoes that you've bought, something that you purchased or experienced and you were super excited and you wanted to share with somebody. For an example, a restaurant, right? Let's say you went to a restaurant, you had the most amazing pasta and you told your friend about it. Say, hey, you gotta go to this restaurant, you gotta taste the pasta. When they went to that restaurant and tasted the pasta, you didn't make any money from it. And what affiliate marketing is when you can share something with somebody else's services, somebody else's product. And when you bring in a customer to that business, you earn a commission. And it's pretty cool, guys. Affiliate marketing is very beginner friendly. You don't have to worry about creating a product. You don't have to worry about shipping products and touching stuff, customer service, right? Nothing. It's pretty hands off. You pretty much share a product or service with someone and you earn a percentage from that sale. It's pretty much referring other people to products and services, right? There's people that do this on YouTube right now. They do camera reviews or reviews on certain stuff on Amazon and say, hey, this is a camera that I use, for example, and this is how these are the features of this camera. This is how I record my videos with it. These are the pros and the cons, things that I like about it, things I don't like about it. But hey, if you're interested in purchasing it, then click on that link at the bottom of the description and you can buy it directly from Amazon. And Amazon will send them a check in the mail for all the sales that they get. They get a percentage from every sale. And there's some products and services that go all the way up to like 50%, you know? So affiliate marketing is very beginner friendly. It is a way that you can start generating income from home very quickly. All you got to do is just share valuable products and services with other people. If you want more information on getting started with affiliate marketing, visit my website, the first link inside of the description, and click on the button that says Make Money. It will forward you to a free video on how you can get started with affiliate marketing, whether it's part-time or full-time, and how you can potentially turn this into a full-time business, making money from home with affiliate marketing. And the third passive income stream that I want to share with you guys, very beginner friendly also, is designing and selling products online. There's a website called Redbubble where you can create designs that will be sold on a ton of different products. We're talking about pillows, phone cases, covers, blankets, like hats, shirts, pants, a bunch of different stuff, guys. And you pretty much create the design one time, and they will print that design on their products. They will ship them to your customers. You don't have to deal with anything. All you have to do is design the product. And this is a way that you can start generating income each time you sell something online through this website of Redbubble. You can do that with Etsy also, and even merch by Amazon. Creating designs, Amazon will print them on their shirts, and they will ship them directly to your to your customer. And it's very hands-off. All you're doing on your end is creating a design and uploading this. Of course, you do your research in your keywords to see what things sell the quickest, right? You got to do some product research. So this is another easy way that anyone can start generating income from home, is by designing things and uploading them to a service that will print it on their products and ship it to your customer, and you pocket the difference. All right, of course they get a small percentage since they're operating the website, but this is something that you can get started, very beginner friendly. You can create designs on Canva 100% free. I've started getting into Redbubble myself. So to recap, NFTs, selling digital artworks. Number 2, affiliate marketing, referring products to other people and you earning a percentage of the sale. And number 3, designing products that another company will print on their product and ship it directly to your customer, and you pocket the difference. All right, so definitely look into these ways of earning extra income, extra passive income from home, guys. A lot of people have found different ways to make money from home through this pandemic. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. These are 3 ways that you can definitely put some passive income in your pocket each and every month for you and your family. So I hope you guys utilize this. Like this video, drop a comment down below. Let me know which one you're going to actually start and take action on, so that you can start generating some passive income in your home for you and your family. Like this video, subscribe before you go, guys. It means everything to me, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.